Okay, guys. We are back with another one of these. Gonna do it. So we get two. We just got one. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this like the other time. Like I got this like 2 weeks ago. So this is gonna be easier to open because. Spoon again. Oh, here's a surprise. They changed the thing. They used to be, Oh. It was a toy that gave me this. God dang it. I'll be right back when I open it. Okay, guys, I'm back. I opened it. So we got some sort of roller skate thing right here. It can definitely move. So, got all the pieces over here. We'll check the checklist. What in the... Ooh, I was right. It's roller skates and it has cones. So I'll be right back when I build it. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now, you have to slide it on these rails right here. So now we're going to put the stickers on. Hope I don't rip them like the last one. Gotta be careful. It's like a car sticker sticks on forever. Looks pretty good, right? I'm retarded. Okay, next cone sticker. Oh my god, I messed up. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so focused. There you go, that's pretty good, right? Yeah, little cone. So, oh, let me fix it a little bit. What the heck? That's a lot of wind. There we go. 2 cones, 2 roller skates. They actually roll. This will be good. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna do another taste test on the chocolate. Well, this is not wrap. I remember when I tasted it last time. You have to buy this, guys. Trusty spoon. Let's do this. That's like a butt. I said that last time. I'm gonna eat one piece of the butt. I almost ate it all. I ate it all day. I'll be right back when I lick it. Okay, guys. That was the Kinder Surprise Egg unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Got 2 roller skates, 2 cones. And yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.